What up, y'all? We got the whole crew out today. We got Tyler, Tanner, Courtney. Hopefully you can see Courtney. Fixing to go catch some catfish.
We're gonna catch everything.
Yeah, we're gonna catch everything. We're gonna try to put out some jugs. Oh, almost zoomed in. There we go. Gonna put out some jugs. Catch some catfish. Right now we're trying to find some shad. TP's running the trolling motor here. We got some pizza. We got warm clothes and drinks in case it rains. It's just a good day out on the lake, huh?
It's gonna rain.
Courtney's got her book, so she's chilling.
The rain is horrible. We should be catching a lot of fish.
Hopefully we catch a couple fish today. Anyways, we're gonna try to find some shad. They're checking the graph.
You know what I mean? We can't see through the water.
I'm just putting us around until we find some shad. I think the shad's gonna be on the channel, so.
They still gotta bite it.
Hopefully we can find some shad. Got the throw net. Net them and then start baiting jugs. Gotta go find some shad.
How you feel about that? We'll find it.
Oh my gosh, that's what we're looking for. You gotta go straight now. You're going right at them. Point that thing at them and go straight at them. Oh, they're right under us somewhere. Come on, baby, give me some shad.
Are you still on the phone?
Yeah, it's my pocket.
You just stuck Michaela in the pocket.
Did you tell her about me too?
He's like, I hung up.
I did.
You stuck her in the pocket.
There's got to be caught. And we didn't catch any of them. I was pointing.
I don't know if we did get it, but I'm gonna hope we got them.
We're only gonna catch one.
A blooper reel is on.
Not even one.
Not even.
Addicting. I got one.
Hey, we're gonna want our way to some bait.
Here we go. I'm about to hit these.
12 feet, 8 feet, 6 feet. Yeah, go right on them too. But did he actually get some? Find out next.
Here we
On
go.
Fez Outdoors.
Moment of truth. Got none.
You got one?
I got one?
Yep.
Oh, I did get one.
Right here.
He's gonna have like 30 in there.
Hold on, it's been a
Honestly,
minute.
I don't care. It'd be sick if you got 30.
It's been a couple years, man. I didn't fucking take shit off.
See if you don't. Show me. It caught up to one. Yeah, I think it caught up to one of them. He was swimming for all he had. Swimming down.
Just swim down.
Go, go, go.
Swim down.
Yes, dude.
There we go.
We got two.
There's another one too.
Oh my gosh. Such a terrible cast on a big school, good shed.
How does that make you feel?
Horrible. Really mad.
I've never been so disrespectful.
Yeah.
Did y'all hear what he said to me?
Who's whistling?
Now he's got his friends.
Yeah.
You're at.
What would you do when you saw like 12 coyotes swimming out here?
Oh, wow. There is lightning. Be the middleman here. Tanner, how many fish did you catch?
At least 64.
That's a big number of fish.
Damn, that'd be insane. Gotta be optimistic, man.
I like that. Hope these fish are chomping tonight. Just chomping.
I hope they didn't eat one.
Yeah, I hope they're hungry. Let me see one.
Oh, this is a fucking hefty one. Yeah. It's still warm. I'm gonna take a bite.
Take a bite, dude.
That'd be wild. Please do. Make sure Dylan gets it on camera. Hell no.
Oh, that's a good piece.
Yeah. They'd be watching it like, these guys are just weird.
You are from Oklahoma.
They just eat shad raw. No,
We like sushi, okay?
yeah, here's some southern sushi.
All right, Yoss it. There we go. Here goes another one. Here, pass me a couple hooks and I'll help you.
Here, grab the weight and just take this.
Yeah, perfect. Here, put that one on top. That's a good top chunk.
One more. I made a big mistake.
What'd you do?
I've been cutting all these on the place I'm about to sit.
Oh no, my new chair.
I'm sorry, man. It's a fishing boat.
Yeah, it is.
No.
All right, so what's going in here? Dang.
We got 5 out now?
Is that 5? Yeah, TV, that's your third one, right? Yeah, so there's 5 jugs out. We got to remember that. That's very important.
Get in there.
We got one?
It was good size, too.
Is it really?
He's like really good size. He's really good size.
Come on, baby.
I need gloves. Okay, not as big as I thought.
Oh, it's a solid fish, though, dude. We'll take him all day long. Solid blue. Heck yeah.
We got dinner.
All right, first fish of the night. Hold him up, TP.
Hey, that's a good start.
Hold him up.
First fish.
Let me see that bad boy.
Okay. It's a good start.
That's a real. We just put him out. We literally put him out probably like
5 minutes ago.
Yeah, like 5-10 minutes ago. Just
Got any
finished.
fire still?
Yeah, I do. They're up in the front by where you sit. You
There we
them?
go.
Hold it up like you're a kid.
Oh yeah, TP holding the nice blue. That's a great eating blue. Throw them in the live well and call them good. Oh, my camera keeps screwing up. But anyways, we put all our jugs out. Now we're back to we're starting catfishing now with poles. TP's getting a bite. Reeling a big one, TP.
Oh, wait.
That lake record. Tanner?
I already got my bait 8. Didn't catch the fish.
Yeah. Tanner be the one to reel in a freaking 50-pounder over here.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna
He's
happen.
just drinking him a cold one, just chilling, line ain't even tight. He'd be the guy to rip a 50-pound flathead out of here. It's not really been exactly on fire, but
No, we're doing our best.
we're doing our best. And
Hey.
bad day fishing is better than a good day in the office. Oh, Tanner.
Caught one.
Yeah, oh yeah, we caught one on jugs. And I'm sure there's probably more on the jugs right now, but we're fishing.
No, I'm seeing if he stole my bait.
TP, he's like a kid. He's got to reel it in in a few minutes. He's both baits on there and everything.
It's about to go down.
It's going down. There's a whale in the boat.
There's about to be one right here.
There's about to be a whale in this boat.
Left.
Oh yeah, 2. We got 2 pieces. We got a 3 piece. Is it possible? Nope. 2 for 2.
Almost
2 for
3 though. Look there.
Oh,
I gotta start cutting some bait.
Heck yeah, dude. Oh.
Hey, we may be running low on shad.
Well, we'll catch a couple more. We for sure are running low on shit. I knew it.
I don't see
TP, what we got?
a couple 1-pounders.
Yeah, but that's the eaters. Dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
You want to cut these little guys, or do we just want to throw them on?
Cut them where they'll at least bleed. Like
Okay.
they need to scent. You know what I mean?
Cut them.
Give them a good cut. You need pliers, big guy?
Yeah.
They're up there. You had to get them.
Help me. Where they at?
Up there under that live scope.
Okay, here's one.
Oh man, what a beautiful, right there. Beautiful little blue cat. Woo, shoot. Can't beat those. Oh yeah. What do you think, TP?
Like it? Come on.
Come on. Woo! Tanner got the bait all cut up. Up and down, buddy. Come on. You got a fish? Oh, sick.
Nice. 2 of them, maybe.
Oh, yes, we got 2 piece. Look, oh, that's a good one right there.
Oh, that's a big one.
Go.
Nice.
Oh,
We're gonna have
man.
to catch more shad.
For sure.
Hey, that's get it good there, bud.
That's a real good fish. Your light's on. There it is. Show me that fish right there. That's a good fish.
Good pop right here, buddy.
Come on, second cameraman over here, camera woman. There it is. Got a fish. I know it. We should have a 40-pounder. That'd be insane. It'd be really kind of crazy, huh? Pull a 40-pounder on jugs.
The biggest one I've ever caught.
Oh, yeah. It's standing.
Oh, he has a fish for sure.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Courtney, you gotta pull it up this time.
No, me?
Yeah, why
We've done
not?
it before.
I know.
Yes, Courtney's finna pull a fish.
Keep the headlight, or keep the...
I
Yeah, you got a GoPro from your
Haven't
angle.
got any-
Courtney's a rare specimen. She actually gets out here and catfishes with us.
I love it.
Tanner's got him a good one, huh, Tanner?
Yes, sir.
Courtney, you ready?
ready.
Time to
I
shine.
just want you to... Easy.
I don't see it, Tanner.
TP was trying to hit
Oh,
me
right
with
there, yeah.
pliers.
Oh, yeah, it's got a fish for sure.
Oh, that's
Go,
a good
yeah, come on now. Be a 30-pounder. Courtney put up a 30-pound catfish. He's so sick.
You may want to put your that covers
That
the
pole's
hole.
part, oh my gosh, it's standing up on its end.
That's a good one.
Come on, be a good, it's probably at least multiple.
It may be a couple.
Oh, it's running from us. It's running from us.
Grab it, Courtney.
I'll get it, I'll get it.
Alright,
Sorry. Oh yeah. Wrangle it.
Oh, it went off,
Oh,
Dill.
watch out, watch
It went
out.
off, Dill.
That's good, it's still on. That's a huge
Holy
one.
Nice.
That's a
Great
channel.
one.
That's a channel
Make
cat
sure
right
there
there,
ain't no
yeah.
more.
No, that's a
on there.
blue.
Is it? Oh, it
Oh,
is.
that's for sure blue.
Nice.
Woo!
Courtney with the biggest
It's
fish
on,
of the day.
Sheila.
Hey.
Yeah! Woo! Oh, you got a TP.
That's a nice fish.
That's a really good fish.
Good job, babe.
Good job, Courtney.
Anything.
Right here.
You caught it.
Good work. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah! Yeah! Two! Heck yeah,
Yeah,
dude!
we're two-fering it like it's
We are. Good work. Two good eaters. They're not giants, but they're gonna eat for it. That was a good one. That's probably a 5. Bro.
Ow.
Nice, dude. Oh, I'm so excited. This is awesome. Courtney caught the biggest one, and it's a Haas, too. Honestly, that's probably like a 12-pound catfish.
We got the scales.
Oh, we do have the scale. Show me it. Show the camera right here. Oh, yeah.
That's a nice 2-pounder.
Good one. That's a great eating fish right there. Doesn't get much better than that. Turn it on.
Oh, wait.
This is 8 pounds.
All right, we're taking guesses. I'm gonna say. Let me look at it. Dang, 8 pounds is pretty solid. Maybe I'm gonna say 9 pounds, 3 ounces. What's your guess, Tanner?
9 pounds, 4 ounces, Bob.
No. Courtney, what are you guessing?
I don't know. Like 10 pounds. I don't
10
know.
pounds. That's it. It might
Probably
be. I hope
not.
it's a 10 pounder. It'd be so sick.
All right.
Here we go.
What'd I say?
Drop it.
Yeah.
10 pounds, dude. Bring it over here. 10 pounds.
Yeah.
It's bouncing around between 9, 9, and 10.
Technically,
Nice,
I won
9,
if we're
9.
going Price is Right rules.
No, Courtney won.
She said 10.
Yeah.
It's less than 10.
It's
No,
close.
No, that's a
Hey,
9, 9.
Closest.
Yeah, that's 9, 9. She's definitely closest.
Yeah, but you
I said
won.
9, 3.
you can't go over in Price is Right rules.
Oh, I
we're
didn't know
not
that's
on
Price is
Price
Right. I never watched
Rules.
Price is Right.
The closest to the weight. It don't matter if you're
That's
above.
Courtney won the biggest fish in
She
the
knew 'cause
fish
she pulled it
contest.
up.
Yeah, true. That's cheating. We shouldn't let you play, Courtney. All right, we got us a jug. Hopefully, it's got a fish on it.
Tan, you're up. You're up, Tan. Here, let me have the light.
Tanner, go get that. Come on, get this 15 pounder here, Tanner. Oh no, does it have a fish?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's got a fish.
There's a little
A little guy. We need to throw him back. We need to throw him back. That's a 6-ouncer, dude. We got any bait cut up?
Just hook that sucker in the back fin and throw him back out there.
Yeah. That's bait. Tanner, why are you catching them little
Just
ones?
leave him on there.
Yeah.
My prize.
Look at
Show it out. Show it
Both
off.
of them.
Yeah, you got that. That's the smallest catfish I've seen in a long time. All right, let's Courtney's on snack patrol and she bought sun chips.
I got a whole bag full of snacks.
A whole bag full of snacks. That's why Tanner's got a W right there, huh, Tanner?
Damn right.
She
It's
gets the
also why
biggest-
I gained 40 pounds.
Oh, he just wants to blame me for that.
I am blaming you for that. I got with
She
you.
could-
I started getting 3 meals a day.
Yeah.
And freaking.
She cooks good, huh? Anyways, we got some
I just about cramped
banging
up just
sun
then.
chips.
That's why I had to stand up. I was catching a thigh cramp and trying to play it off. So Courtney caught the biggest fish. I
Got
caught the
the
smallest.
littlest.
Yeah, that's
That
a
kind of sucks.
Leave that knife back there. You're scaring me.
Pull up a giant, Tanner. Come on right here. Fist bump. Yeah, here we go. It's a double.
Little double action.
A little double. There's one good. Oh, he fell off.
Oh,
We got another one though. Oh, we got a triple, Tanner. We got a triple.
Head.
Yeah, we'll had a triple, yeah. All right.
That's a good jug right there.
That's good. Eaters, man. Heck yeah. All right, what do you think about it?
It's decent. It'll eat.
It'll definitely eat.
It'll eat very well. It's bigger than the last one I caught, so.
It was
not
like
saying
6
much,
inches
though.
long. Well, we had a blast tonight. We caught a bunch of fish. We got a live well full. Everybody had a good time.
Yeah.
Yes, we did.
Everybody, we got to hang out with some good buddies, which is a good deal. Get the fish going. Everybody's just hanging out, chilling, watching the fish fry.
I didn't get to shoot. Yeah. And they were like, you can't do that, like, at all. We killed a shit ton of ducks that day. What do you want with us that day?
I never even been except like
Woo.
two years ago.
Drop these,
And
Tyler.
they
Okay,
hooked me,
sorry.
dude.
Absolutely. First bite.
First bite of the day. It's gotta be
Is it
hot.
hot?
A little hot. Good though.
There's smoke
Can you
coming
taste
out
the
of
Franks
his
in
mouth.
it?
Yeah.
It's good, huh?
Good.
All right, we're done cooking now. About to go in and everybody. Oh my bad. Everybody fixing plates. Ooh, yeah, we got mac and cheese, fries, and fish.
Beautiful.
Can't beat that, huh?
Can't beat it.
9.8 out of 10.
8 out of 10. I like that. I'm fixing to sit down and hammer this and watch some baseball. Then we can go fishing again.